In this module, we'll learn how to customize the event scene map on the Dramatize page. We'll learn about the features of the map and how to use them. In AlphaACT Fire, a map of the event scene is available on the pages for all 6 steps of the decision-making process, except for the Analyze page. To get to the map from any of the pages on which it appears, just click the tab above the event scene simulation. The map provides an aerial view of the area around the event scene and lets you consider how that should affect your approach to the fire. But on the Dramatize page, and only on the Dramatize page, the map has special features. You can mark it up with event scene details and notes about your plans for deploying response assets. Pretty much whatever you'd like. This is one more way in which you can mentally rehearse your plans for response. The map on the Dramatize page includes a set of icons that you can drop onto the map. This allows you to identify the location of houses or structures, the fire, hydrants, blockades, firefighters to represent your deployment of personnel and resources, and people who may have suffered injuries. The system also includes simple graphics tools for adding boxes and shapes, drawing straight lines, drawing freehand, entering text for captions or labels, and selecting and moving objects. Adding icons to the map is easy. If you click an icon on the toolbar, it will appear on the map. Then you can select it and drag it into position. Adding notes or captions to the map is easy too. For this you'll use the Text tool, which is the capital T on the toolbar. If you click the Text tool, a text entry box appears. Enter the text you want to place on the map and then click OK. The text then appears on the map. As with the icons, once text has been placed on the map, you can click it to select it and then drag it into position. The system also includes drawing tools that let you add 2 kinds of lines to a map. You can add straight lines, and you can draw freeform lines. To add a straight line to the map, click the diagonal line icon on the toolbar. Place the mouse on the map where you wish to begin, then click and drag it to the end point and release it. Once the line is on the map, you can move it around and reposition it by first selecting the Selection tool, selecting the line, and then dragging the line into its new position. You can lengthen or shorten the line by clicking and dragging the control point at either end. You can even alter the slant of the line. First select it, then click and hold the end of the handle on the blue box and move the mouse until you change the slant to the degree desired. You can manipulate the other objects that you place on the map too in essentially the same way. This includes icons and text boxes and even freeform lines. To draw freeform lines, click the pencil icon on the toolbar to select it. Place the mouse on the map where you want to begin, then click and hold it as you move the mouse. Once you've selected the freeform drawing function, you can stop and start as many lines as you need. If you make a mistake on what you've added to the map, it's no big deal. You can remove any of the items you've added. First, click the Selection tool, which is the arrowhead icon on the toolbar. Then click the object you want to delete to select it. Finally, click Delete Selected. A box appears asking you to confirm your decision. Click OK. If you've made a complete mess of the map and you want to start over, click Clear All. A box appears asking you to confirm your decision. Click OK and the mess will be erased. This completes our review of the map customization tools on the Dramatize page. As a quick recap, In AlphaACT Fire, the map appears on the pages for all steps of the decision process except for Analyze, and it can be accessed by clicking the tab above the event scene simulation. However, only on the Dramatize page can you mark it up with annotations. The map on the Dramatize page includes tools that give you a full range of possibilities for capturing the details that will help you fully prepare for dealing with an incident. That completes our discussion of the mapping tool on the Dramatize page. For more information about it, consult the AlphaACT Fire User's Guide, which is available from the Tutorials page.